Now, if you're just interested in finding the notes that make up either the A minor, the D minor, or the E minor chord, which are the minor chords we've been using in the key of C, there's actually a much easier way to figure out what those notes are, and it's exactly the method that we used to find the notes of the C, F, and G major chords. And it just goes like this, and this is just because of the way that the notes are laid out. For the A minor, you know that the A minor is going to start with an A, and you just do the same thing. Skip over the next note in the C scale, and the next note in the A minor then would be a C, skip, and then the final note would be E. So if we want to know the notes of the A minor, it would be A, skip, C, skip, and E. A, C, and E. Do that a little bit better here. Okay, so let's try that for the D minor. We'd start with D, skip, then we would need F, skip, and then A. D, F, and A. D, F, and A. Finally, for the E minor, we start with an E, skip, G, skip, and B. So the notes that make up the E minor are E, G, and B. E, G, and B. Okay? So that works for these three chords, which are the minor chords that we usually use in the key of C. It will not work for minor chords in general. So if you were asked to, for instance, find the chords that make up a G minor, right, you would have to use the method that we talked about in the previous video. So there you have it, and in the next video I think we'll move on to I guess we'll talk about the flat chords that we've used.